Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the content management tools you need to create and edit your landing pages. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Content. This section houses all your website materials, blog posts, and landing pages. Once the content menu expands, click on Landing Pages. This is where you'll find all the pages you've created and can select the one you want to edit. Now browse through your list of landing pages and click on the specific landing page where you want to add anchor links. This will open the page editor and allow you to make changes to its content and structure. Take a moment to locate the exact section on the page where you want to insert your anchor link. Click on that section to select it. This is important because anchor links need to be placed in specific areas to work properly as navigation points within your page. Once you've selected the section, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see the content editor for that particular section displayed there. This is where you'll be making your changes and adding the anchor link. In the content editor, click on Insert. This will open a menu with various elements you can add to your page. From that menu, click on Anchor. A prompt will appear asking you to input a name for your anchor. Choose a descriptive name that makes sense for the section you're linking to, then click Insert. This creates the anchor point that other links on your page can jump to. Next, you'll need to create the clickable link that will take visitors to that anchor. Find the text on your page that you want to turn into a link and highlight it. Once it's highlighted, click the link icon that appears. This opens the link settings where you can configure where the link should go. In the link settings, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Link To. Click on this drop-down and select Anchor on this page. This tells HubSpot that the link should navigate to an anchor within the same landing page rather than an external URL. Now click the drop-down menu labeled Anchor. You'll see a list of all the anchors you've created on the page. Select the anchor you just created, then click Insert to finalize the link. And that's it, you've successfully inserted and managed anchor links in HubSpot, making it easier for visitors to navigate through different sections of your landing page. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.